parents are like, look, we need you to talk to our son. And they said, you know, he's sore all the time. He's beat up. We know he has a busy schedule, but this doesn't line up. And so we sat down and we went through the whole plan, and we started building out the strategy. And really, one of the big focuses was making sure that he was eating enough protein. We got him on protein. Like a week and a half later, he's like, I'm not sore to the level that I was before. You know, obviously you're sore after practice or training, but not this extended, continual sore and tired and dragging. And really, it just came from making a few adjustments and making sure that he was eating enough protein, and then also that he was, you know, fueling himself from a carbohydrate and overall strategy perspective. But you can see what happens. Number one, they are stronger. You will see it in the gym. Yes, you can get stronger, especially if somebody's not trained up. Regardless of what they eat, they'll get stronger in the beginning, but it will plateau at some point, and then the training becomes ineffective.
Yeah.
So we want to help them to continue to build over time. And nutrition is how that you go from, well, I went from here to here. Well, now we have to get up to this level. And that's a big part of how we do that. And it's also a big part of how we reduce the risk of injury for our athletes, which is a whole other side of sports performance.